Hello, hello. For you guys, it is Friday. This is Thursday evening for me. So what I'm going to discuss is what we're doing for class for today. You do have a sub if you are in my class. So just let the sub know that you have an attendance form that you will do online, so she doesn't have to take attendance. So you have a Google form. So what are we doing today? Let me move myself. So first of all, your punctuation project was due a while back, but if you have not submitted that, then do that as soon as possible. It will be considered late on Monday. I'll be looking for those over the weekend. So the punctuation project was the one that you actually had to take pictures of punctuation marks in real world, not in the writing that's on posters and stuff like that, but actual pictures with what punctuation mark it is, with an arrow pointing to where it is, where you found it, and then the definition or the rule for that punctuation mark, which you have those notes in Google Classroom. The next thing is make sure you finish your guided questions, and then you have a quiz. So you should see that assignment already on Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you guys where that's at. So moving myself again. So when you go to, and that's not your class, so let me go here. Third and fourth period are the same. So here is that quiz. You guys will create an account. Always log in with Google. So you don't have to do that. Just accept the invite. And when you accept the invite, you should be able to log in. So let me go back and exit here. This is the assignment. So you can do it on your phone or you can do it online. So you'll complete that. You do have the link that shows the slides. So again, also know that this is timed. So most multiple choice questions are 30 seconds. And then the other ones are like 2 minutes if they're like fill in the blank or if they are short answer response. So just be aware of that. Let me move myself again. So that's the second thing. And then the last thing is you have a ReadWorks assignment. That assignment will be posted in the morning. So it is a text about having empathy or putting yourself in someone else's shoes. So you should have done that with your guided questions. You were supposed to connect with me and tell me whether you came into this country and tell me your story, and if not, then tell me how you would feel if you had to come to a different country or go to a different country. So this article is about someone that gets bullied and doesn't really think about what they say or do and how they feel. So you have the audio, so you can listen to it. I think it's like 8 to 10 minutes long, and then you have questions that go with it. So that's all you are doing for my class. So you got your punctuation project. You have your guided questions for Diaspora, which we already finished reading in class. So finish those up. Then you have a quiz. Then you have a ReadWorks assignment. So punctuation project is due today, or Friday. The guided questions and quiz today, Friday. ReadWorks assignment is not due till Tuesday. So if you don't get to that last assignment, you're A-okay. So don't worry about that, okay? I do hope that you all have a wonderful weekend. I have my closing at 3 o'clock tomorrow, so I'm excited. And I got to get all ready for that. I'll be moving into my house. But I do hope that you have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye, everybody.